All right, as most of you guys can tell, you know what time it is, and that really has nothing to do with me putting on the dash pad, but maybe we can call it dash pad time or something. So let's see if this thing fits. Ooh, I'm gonna have to mess with this guy, aren't I? You're gonna be confrontational. I see how it is. I see how it is. How about that? How about them beans? All right. So, as you guys may know, with these new dash overlays, this is plastic. The overlay is the original dash. And in order to get it to look right, you have to use some adhesive. So we have some really strong, kind of like caulking that you use on the backs of these. The interesting thing about that is you have to hurry and lay it down, and you have to put weight on top of it, because see how that flops? If you don't put weight on it, that won't adhere to the adhesive. So you have to put some weight on it, leave it there for like overnight, and then that thing will stick nice and firm. So that's what we're gonna do. But in the meantime, I kind of want to show you what it looks like right now, because that's just how I roll. So check it out. This will give you a sneak peek at the new dash. You can see it's not like sticking to it yet. See, look, it's floppy. It's floppy. It's floppy. So that's what we're gonna do. And then that thing will be looking sweet. All right, well, that's that.